In this video, we're going to create milestones. So you click on the milestone tab and you have the option to choose what project or projects that you want to create a milestone for. And also another cool feature with this is you can also print this. So if you notice here, you have this little print icon here. You click on it, you can print it. It shows you the details about this particular project. The reason why it looks bare right now because we don't have anything. So let's just X that out. So if you wanted to print this out and hand it out to people, then you can do that as well. So let's go now. We're going to choose the project we just created, and let's click on new. All right, so we're going to come here. You can put the title for this milestone, and then you can put in a description. So I'm just going to type in just something at random. And this also, do spell check for you, which is really great. So I have that there. I'm just going to copy and just, okay, so I have, and you notice now with the labels that were created earlier, it showed you the milestone here. I'm just going to check on that. And you can choose the publish status. Make sure that once again it's set to publish. You can choose the start date and you can choose the deadline date. And you go to attachments. If you have any attachments, you can select your attachments. And then for the permission, now this is something that you always want to set so that way it goes to the respective groups. You just don't want everyone to get access to something. So you're going to add this now for the client, so they're part of the registered group, and they're here. This is where it says publishing and all that stuff. So once you're done, once again, you can click on save, or you can create an add task list. So let's click on save. So now you've just successfully created a milestone, and milestones are very vital to the success of any project. And it shows you right here in the corner the percentage that has been completed on the milestone. It shows you the date for it. It's really important that you put milestones when you're working on projects, because by adding milestones, it lets members of your team know what's required when it needs to be done. And the client is also going to get a really good idea to see, how your flow is. When they can come on and log on and see the different milestones that have been created and that you're meeting those milestones, then you definitely have a happy client. And it lets you know that this milestone is due in 18 days. So it shows you right here. So when your team is working on something and they add milestone, it's going to let them know, listen, this milestone is due in 10 days, in 15 days, and whatever days that you set on the calendar, so that everyone can stay together and work together as a team. And once again, you can print this here and pass it out to the team, or just keep it for your records.